Hi everyone, today we are making a baked feta pasta with tomatoes and basil. It's creamy, fresh, full of Mediterranean flavor, and of course it's incredibly easy to make. Let's go. First I turn the oven on to 210 degrees. Then I take my cherry tomatoes, I put them into a baking dish. I just rinse them, of course. Now I'm going to take 3 cloves of garlic. And of course you can find all the ingredients into the description below. I'm going to peel them, of course. I want to check if they have a sprout. And yeah, there's no need to remove the sprout on those garlics. And then I'm going to chop them as finely as possible, because it's a shorter recipe. Actually, one of my colleagues just made this recipe, then I wanted to eat some feta. It's a summertime after all. Then I put the garlic into the baking dish. A true Mediterranean recipe. I'm going to add olive oil. Yeah, we have to be generous. I could have used a clove of garlic to rub the baking dish as well. It would have given us more flavor. I'm adding oregano, it's a match with the feta. I could have added some thyme, rosemary, savory, a little black pepper. And of course, if you want more Mediterranean recipes, then just subscribe to the channel. The garlic will stay down actually, but that's fine, because the tomatoes will lose the water. That's why this recipe is so flavored actually. And I add the feta. Yeah, I put it at the center of the baking dish. As it's not fat enough, I add more olive oil. Yeah, I have to mention that I didn't rinse the feta cheese. That's why I'm not using salt into this recipe. It's very rare. A few pinches of oregano. And paprika. A little black pepper. And we're good to put it into the oven during half an hour, maybe 35 minutes. I'm going to prepare a saucepan full of water for cooking the pasta. And I'm not going to add salt either. During that time I'm going to eat a few slices of sausage. Beef sausage precisely. And I'm going to prepare the basil. I want to chop it roughly. I love the fresh basil. Thanks my neighbor. 35 minutes later it's almost ready. Then I'm going to cook my pasta. My fresh pasta that I made. Look how they are beautiful. And hop into the saucepan during 2 minutes maximum. Good, the feta cheese is roasted. It's so beautiful. I'm just taking a little bit of feta cheese for the final touch and a couple of cherry tomatoes. And now the best moment. I'm going to make the sauce. Yeah, it looks like it's a little creamy. Then I'm going to add a little basil in it. I just drained my pasta and now we can mix the whole thing together. I taste it just in case, but there's definitely no need to add more salt in it. No waste with the rubber spatula. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you'll give it a try at home. If you do, let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my work. And subscribe for more easy Mediterranean recipes. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!